Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be talking about what would happen if you go deep down into a black hole. Now starting off, first and foremost, what are black holes? So a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light can escape it, and it was initially found by Carl Schwarzschild. Now, how are black holes formed? So the most well understood black holes that we know about are created when a massive star reaches the end of its life and, for example, implodes, collapses on itself, and it forms a black hole. And a black hole takes up zero space, but it has a ton of mass. Its mass is so huge that it bends space-time. Also, you could artificially make a black hole if you compress, for example, let's say the mass of the Earth into the size of a marble, then it would create a black hole, an artificial one. Now, the question of our video is, what would happen if you go down into a black hole? Now, to make it safely deep down into a black hole, we need one that has a very low density. And the larger the black hole, the lower the density, and the smaller the black hole, the higher the density and the more deadly it is. So if we would be choosing, then Sagittarius A star is ideal. It has the same density of water and it's in the middle of our Milky Way. It would take 3 years to reach it in 3000 times the speed of light, which is basically warp speed. Now let's suppose that as the ship reaches the black hole, 3 of the crew team decide to stay back and one of the crew team, let's name him Carl for now, decides to take the chance and go down into the black hole. Now let's suppose that the suit the volunteer is using is prone to all high energy radiation that would obviously kill him if it wasn't prone. Now from the point of view of the watcher, the volunteer would appear to be moving very quickly towards the event horizon, and as he closes into the event horizon, the volunteer would be appearing to be completely stationary for eternity due to extreme gravity forces. On the other hand, time would continue to move just perfectly for the volunteer as he goes down into the event horizon and passes it by. And by the way, due to all the time dilation the volunteer has experienced, if he just takes a peek or a look back just before he crosses the event horizon, he would see the distant future of the universe, but it wouldn't appear clearly to him unless he has an extremely high-tech telescope to look through the extreme blue shift that is created because of the universe moving further away from him and him moving further into the black hole. It would appear just as a blue point of light. Now let's get back into him going into the black hole. Now as the volunteer crosses the event horizon and accelerates down towards the singularity, which is the thing inside the black hole that causes all the gravitational pull, or the point where all the light and space and time heads towards, he would be crushed into particles and would become immediately one with the singularity. Singularity, by the way, is invisible, according to most physicists at least. Another speculation, which is the fun one, is that the spinning singularity creates a gravitational repulsive space that acts as a wormhole and ejects you into what is a white hole, what is the complete opposite of a black hole that moves everything away from it, into a totally different universe, or what we call an alternate universe, and the fate of Carl in a completely different universe. Now I believe that black holes are a fun topic to speculate about, and also a subject that has a lot of discoveries to be made about in the future. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Comment down below of what you think about this video, and share the video with your friends if you think this is fun to see. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.